How to create new folder in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, tap and hold on app. Click on select. Now select app. Now click on create folder. Now enter folder name and click on color. Select color that you want. After selecting color, create new folder from your phone. And second way, open my files, click on internet storage, click on three dots more option, click on create folder. Now enter folder name that you want. Now click on create. After click on create folder from your phone. This is how you can create new folder in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.